This is Neeraj Chopra, India's star javelin thrower.
He's got the jump, and this time around there's a cry of more on his face. How much has he got?
He's the Asian and Commonwealth Games champion, and now Neeraj is aiming for that ultimate glory, the Olympic gold. In 2018, Neeraj, still fresh from his memorable victories on the international stage, had told India Today's Rahul Kanwal how he was aiming to win the gold at Tokyo 2020.
आपको लगता है कि ओलंपिक्स 2020 टोक्यो में गोल्ड पॉसिबल है नीरज?
2 साल में अभी 86 से मैंने 2 मीटर कवर किया है, तो उसके हिसाब से लग रहा है कि थोड़ा और हम हार्ड वर्क करेंगे, टेक्निकल काम करेंगे कोच के साथ मिलके, तो पॉजिटिविटी लग रही है ओलंपिक गोल्ड की। और इस एज में जैसे जिनका जैन जलाजनी जिनका वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है, उन्होंने इस एज में 88 मीटर तक थ्रो किया था, तो वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे थ्रो रहे थे, तो उसके हिसाब से मुझे लग रहा है कि उनका वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है, तो मैं भी कुछ कर सकता हूँ।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड पे निशान है आपका।
Neeraj indeed has been hard at work, honing his body to be in the best possible shape to try and win India their first gold since Abhinav Bindra's in 2008. And much like Bindra, it's not the end result Neeraj cares about, it's the process leading up to it.
He wants to go out there and he is not really focused on whether he gets 86 or 87 or 89 or 90, but he wants to get his throw technically correct, and that in itself is a huge challenge.
It's this process that has allowed Neeraj Chopra to top the charts in qualification at Tokyo 2020. With only his first throw, Neeraj booked a place in the final in his inimitable style, with a tumble after he had sent the spear flying into the daytime sky. His monster throw crossed the qualification mark before piercing the ground at 86.65 meters. And Neeraj has been consistently improving year after year. The 23-year-old is constantly looking for innovative ways to increase his strength and agility. From the use of TheraBands to lifting weights, from core strengthening exercises to speed training, Neeraj has been putting in the hard yards every day.
Technically, Neeraj has improved a lot over the last few years, and if you look at him now versus what he was 5 years ago, he's a lot stronger, he's a lot fitter, he's a lot faster.
With a rigorous fitness regime but an unorthodox training method, Neeraj only has one goal in his mind, and that's to keep getting better. And his chiseled, god-like physique is testimony to his hard work. India's champion athlete is leaving no stone unturned as he aims for the biggest prize of them all.
He's been working a lot with Klaus, and who's his coach, to try and really get a release point for his javelin, and that has been the key factor for his big distances and PBs that he's been hitting lately.
From an 11-year-old who weighed 80 kgs to becoming one of India's fittest athletes, Neeraj Chopra's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary and inspirational. And on August the 7th, all of India will be watching his final with bated breath, hoping their champion brings home the glory. Sports Bureau, India Today.